Okay guys, welcome back to Jack of All Trades. This video, I decided to make this video to help you guys out who have ever gone to the dealership and found out, you had one thing you had to get done, and then before you know it, you ended up with a huge bill. My car was supposed to go in for a oil change and a tire rotation, because I always rotate the tires every second oil change. And my wife took the car in. I was down in the United States, and what happened was they brought the in-cab filter out to her and showed her the filter that was dirty and said, would you like it replaced? And they also tried to get her on a $250 brake service. I ended up calling the dealership from the United States, talking to the manager to get them to put the old in-cab filter back in, because I wasn't paying $50 for them to take 2 minutes to pull a filter out and put another one in. And I was very upset, and because they took advantage of my wife. So I called them the stealership. Now there was another person there that got billed $120 something for an in-cab filter and an engine air filter. These filters are so easy to replace. They take seconds, and they're making like a huge markup. So what takes 5 minutes of work, they're making $120 off of you. So if you own a car, just be aware of this. Okay, I ordered this air filter on Amazon. You just type in the name of your car, model number, and they're very simple to order. This was $12, and I'm just going to show you how to install it. You're going to be baffled that they charge $50 to do this. This product requires the arrow to be facing up to be installed. The Hyundai OEM filter, the arrow is down because it's an actual airflow arrow. This is the product installation arrow. So don't confuse the two. Every product's different. Just read the manual that comes with the filter. It tells you how to install it. So the arrow's up with this one. This is the name of the product that I ordered. And very simple. Okay, I'm going to do this from the driver's side so I can film this. So you're just going to remove all your stuff from your glove compartment. Now I owned a 2009 Hyundai Accent, and these clips were hard to get out. These 2019 Hyundai Elantra, the clips are very easy. They're like little quarter turn circular clips. You just turn them and they basically unlock and pull out. Just like that. So there's two of them, and these just hold the compartment from coming all the way down, just like this. Now I'm going to grab my phone and take a picture because I can't get the camera in here, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put this up on the screen. All vehicles are the same, guys. There's two clips on each side of this panel. Careful when you remove the panel that it doesn't fall behind, because you'll never get it out. And there's a gap there. Use two hands and hold both sides of the clips. And then carefully pull out the compartment door to the in-cab air filter. Now, Hyundai brought this filter out to my wife, and they even, when they found out that I called them and told them to put it back in, they put all the debris back on the filter, and they put it back in the car. That's so vindictive. I was so pissed off at these guys that they did this. So this is the old filter. I basically pulled it out of the car, banged it off, put it back in until I got the other one on Amazon. This is the new one. The arrow's pointing up. That's how it's supposed to be installed, facing up. The airflow still goes down, but according to the directions of this filter, this isn't an OEM. This is just aftermarket. Don't waste your money on the OEM. Money grab. $50 for an OEM filter. What a waste. Then we're just going to put our clips back in. They're very simple. Just pop them in and turn them. You don't have to be mechanically inclined to do this. This is very simple stuff, guys. I've done timing belts and other things on cars, but these type of services are money grabs. Put your stuff back in, close the glove compartment box, and you're done. So we're going to take you outside, do the engine air filter. Can open up the door here. Thing locks. It's just a pain in the butt. And now you're going to access the engine compartment by pulling this lever right here. It just pops the front engine cover open. There should be a little like switch right here. You just flick it and it'll open up. This car is way nicer than the Hyundai Accent. This is your engine air filter compartment. This thing's so simple to replace. There's 2 clips. You unclip it, and you pull up and out, and there's your air filter. These are like 18 bucks. You can buy aftermarket ones. You're just going to take it out. You want to vacuum all the debris underneath it, and then put it back. Put a new one in. There you go, guys. These 2 services, $120. Take less than 5 minutes. It's criminal. That's why I call these guys the stealership. So if you like the video, please comment, subscribe, ring the bell. So if I upload any new videos, you guys actually get notified. So, and thank you for watching Jack of All Trades. You guys have a good day.